Sometimes the simplest things make the best desserts. Or a quick breakfast. I remember the familiar flavors of strawberries and cream and a lot of artificial stuff in the 1980s as a kid. Oatmeal, bubblegum. But here is an easy, no cook, no fuss dessert or breakfast idea using those same familiar flavors, but the real stuff. Ooh, spider. Just a few fresh slices of strawberry or any other appropriate, nice, fresh, summertime fruit. Could be peaches, could be blueberries, whatever you like. Now the only thing I'm getting fancy on is I'm taking a spoonful of ricotta cheese, a nice sort of soup spoon size, and then I'm going to roll it between another spoon, which is sort of an egg-like shape. We'll do one more. Nice big spoonful. Again, I'm using sort of soup spoons. Just roll them between the two spoons. You get this pleasant shape, and then right into your dessert. The culinary term for these ricotta shapes is a quenelle. Fancy. A little bit of sweetness with a drizzle of honey. You could use agave syrup here. Come on, buddy. There we go. That looks good. Nice little amount for dessert, and because I think it adds a nice sort of summer thing, some fresh mint from the garden, just a couple leaves, and I'm going to take my scissors and just snip very thin strips. Smells so good and looks delicious. I love that little hit of green. I love this kind of thing for a summertime dessert. But for breakfast, you may want to skip the mint and maybe add a half a cup of your favorite cereal or granola. Simple, summery, so delicious. Strawberries and ricotta. That mint, so good. Oh, wait, where's that spider? Oh. Why not? I like life. I remember the familiar flavor, or a quick throwback, strawberries and cream, a cup of cereal. It's 4 o'clock.